Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we are trying to learn Python by solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of this role, this is a great series to follow and try to build your concepts. So let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on status queries regarding the third heaviest shipment. This question has been asked in Amazon interviews and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads, you have been asked by Amazon to find the shipment ID and the weight of the third heaviest shipment. Output the shipment ID and the total weight for that shipment ID. In the event of a tie, do not skip ranks. What does this line suggest you? The method of ranking that you have to adopt, because here you need to find the third heaviest, right? So you need to rank, okay, this is the first heaviest, second heaviest, third heaviest, and so on. So we are given a data frame called Amazon shipment, and our expected output is a pandas data frame with two different columns, shipment ID and total weight, and this is for the third heaviest shipment. Okay, let's inquire about this Amazon shipment data frame. We have four different columns: shipment ID, sub ID, weight, and shipment date. You can get the total weight by grouping by the shipment ID and calculating the sum of the weight column. So since we need the shipment ID and the total weight, the first thing that we should do is let's group by the shipment ID and calculate the total weight for every shipment ID. So how can we calculate that? So we need to group by the shipment ID, and then what we need to do is we need to do dot aggregate. We learned about this previously in this series. And then what is the final name of the column that we want in our output? Total weight. So we can write total weight. Then how are we going to calculate this total weight? So we need to take the weight column and perform a sum. So we do that, and since we grouped by the shipment ID, we need that as a column. So we reset index. So reset index. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So here we have shipment IDs and the total weights, right? Now once we have these total weights, we need to find out which one is the first highest, second highest, and so on. So what we can do is let's store this entire thing in a data frame called df. Let's make a third column. So right now df has two columns, shipment ID and total weight. Let's make a third column called rank, and what we are basically going to do is take the data frame and the column total weight, and then we need to perform a rank. So dot rank, and then we just discussed that this line gives you which method of ranking we need to follow. If you have learned about ranking methods in SQL, similar kind of concepts apply in Python as well. So when the question says in the event of a tie, do not skip ranks, it means it is a dense ranking. So you write method is equal to dense, so that we do not skip rank, and then we want the highest weight assigned as rank 1 because we want the third heaviest shipment, right? So we write ascending is equal to false. Okay, let me go ahead and try to get the data frame df now. So now if you look at it, what is the highest? So the highest value is 55. So that is assigned rank 1. The next highest is 50. So assigned rank 2. The next highest is 40. So there are two shipments with total weight 40, which is assigned rank 3, and then 20 assigned rank 4. Now we need to get the third heaviest shipment. So basically whenever your rank is equal to 3, that is the third heaviest shipment. So we learned about dot query method, right? So what we can do is we can use the dot query method to filter, because right now once we have the ranks of all the shipment IDs and the total weight, we are only considered about the rank equal to 3. So we write dot query, and then we need to take the rank column and equate it to 3. Remember, we need to write double equal to sign, because if you write equal to sign, you remember in Python that is assignment, not comparison. So that is why we write rank equal to 3. Let me go ahead and run this. So now you are left with only 2 rows where rank was 3. Then in our output, we only need the shipment ID and the total weight. We do not need the rank column. And also we need to output this as a pandas data frame. So what we write is we provide the list of columns that we want. So we want the shipment ID column and then followed by the total weight. Okay, So now once we have this, let me go ahead and run this again. So now if you look at it, our output is same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit this past all the test cases. So everything is green, and this is how we do it. So yes, not a very difficult question. All we had to do was, firstly, what we did was, for every shipment ID, we found the total weight, and then we stored this in a data frame called DF. Then based on that total weight, we created a column called rank from largest to smallest, that is in descending order, using a ranking method called dense, so that we do not skip ranks. Once we had the ranks assigned, since we are required to keep the third heaviest, we filter based on the rank column using the dot query method and keep only the columns that are required in our output. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.